Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the Sound Equalizer on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. For that we're gonna use the Dolby Atmos settings. So we can go to the app drawer, go to Moto, and then over here we have Dolby Atmos. Then in the bottom left corner we have the setting icon. We can tap over here, and now we can adjust the audio. So we can switch to music, we can switch to movie, game, podcast, and we can also create our custom settings. And in order to adjust these settings, we can tap on the pen icon on the right side of each option. And then over here, of course, we will be also introduced to some settings. So we can read them to get familiar with the options. But essentially, you can just move the EQ over here. You can adjust it as you wish. And you can also choose equalizers. So we have manual, brilliant treble, bass boost, and vocal boost. So these are like presets. So if you don't want to go too much into details, then you can use one of these. And we also have the surround virtualizer and volume leveler. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.